Hello, I'm Dr. Retisha James and I'm a functional medicine practitioner at Peak Wellness. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the services that we offer that support a functional medicine approach. So let's go on. This is a machine that is mainly used for weight loss. Now, weight loss would not be too much. It starts with 5%. So this is a machine wherein the patient lies in, and we have a dome-like structure, and then we can pull it out over what part is it that you need to lose weight over. So most of them come for truncal obesity. We use an infrared rays here, and the temperature of this machine is from 40 to 60%. Each session is for a minimum of 30 minutes, and you need to have at least 10 sessions to have some visible effects. The only the only factors that you need to be aware of is that you should be properly hydrated, because since you're going to be in a kind of like a mini infrared sauna just impacting your target area, you will feel a lot of dehydration. And the only advice we give is that post the session, you just need to drink lots of water. So this is our EECP machine. So EECP stands for Enhanced External Counter Pulsation. What it basically does is that it increases your blood circulation. It opens up all your arteries and small capillaries so that there is more blood circulation to different organs, different parts of your body. What we do is the patient lies down here. These are cuffs. They're very similar to a blood pressure machine cuff, obviously of a much bigger sizes. So these are put on your thighs and on your hips. Each session lasts from 30 to 90 minutes depending on the indication. The biggest indication for this is if you have a heart problem where there's blockage, and if you're not fit for surgery, you can come and do an EECP. Or if you do not want to get surgery done, or like your stent placement, then also you can get an EECP. It is also used for depression. It is also used for people with some neurological deficit, because it opens up, like I said, it mentioned opens up all your blood vessels and enhances blood flow to other organs. So even dialysis patients also are used. But overall, it is very beneficial, and even for anti-aging and wellness, because like I said, since it increases the blood vessels, so even your face glows up. So that's really great. So I would say that however much you walk within 1200 kilometers, all that pumping of blood will be just done by one session of your EECP. Now this is our infrared sauna. So it's kind of similar to your traditional sauna, but what we use here is actually infrared rays. The person sits in here and the temperature goes up to 60 degrees. So nice and hot. I can feel the heat right now. This, is mainly used for detoxification in your release of toxins through sweat. Can also be used for weight loss. And also, since we use infrared, what it basically does is that it acts right into your body cells. So it's actually very good for your mitochondria, which is one of the powerhouses of each body cell in yours. Now this is our ozone machine. It's used for ozone therapy. What it does is that it gives out ozone gas. It can be delivered through different ways, like as a spray through your nose, your ear, even through your rectum, and in some specific conditions it's also given as an injection. So what it basically does is that it promotes healing. It just charges up your battery, and it helps improve your immunity. And now we come to our star attraction, which is the colon hydrotherapy. Colon hydrotherapy, I would say, is a very essential therapy which I believe everyone should undergo. So what colon hydrotherapy does is it cleans out your colon. So we put in warm ionized water, we put in warm ozone treated water. We also use coffee to help cleans out, just takes out everything out and sterilizes your gut. These days they talk a lot about gut cleansing, your gut-brain axis. So this kind of helps with almost anything. If you are having issues with digestion, bloating, acidity, IBS, anything, like even with autoimmune issues, and even for loss of energy, loss of focus, frequent headaches, you name it, because if your gut is not clean, then you're not happy. So I would definitely recommend this to everyone. If you come in for a session, we start off with about 3 sessions in your first week, and then depending on how you feel, we have a number of other further sessions, but definitely what is recommended is at least 2 sessions in a year. The last of our therapies that we provide are IV drip therapies. These are therapies that involve chelation therapy, which is the removal of heavy metals from your body. There's glutathione, trace minerals, a Myers cocktail, calcium drip, magnesium drip, vitamin C, B12, phosphorylcholine. Now these are all several different kind of drips which are all tailored as per your health condition. So when you come to us and whatever symptoms you have, depending on your root cause, as per that we will provide you a drip. Why we prefer a drip treatment? Because it is much faster, and obviously this is a more you can say it's like a more purer form that we are delivering, that goes straight to your cells and helps you get better, improve your immunity, improve your cell function. So that's why we do IV drips here. We also provide dermatology services, mainly a hydrofacial and a carbon peel. These are facials that are very good for detoxification, deep cleansing, hydrating of your skin. So we use these machines which penetrate the skin much better. It's more effective than your regular facials with your hands. So a hydrofacial and your carbon peeling is also something that you can avail at our clinic. If you would like to know more about our services, kindly check the description below. Thank you.